In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log work time in Jira with ease. If you're managing projects or tasks in Jira, knowing how to log your work effectively can make a big difference in maintaining productivity and ensuring transparency within your team. So let's dive in and explore how you can achieve this in just a few simple steps. First and foremost, you'll want to navigate to Jira. If you're already familiar with accessing Jira, this part should be straightforward. But just a quick reminder, ensure you're using a compatible browser and that your internet connection is stable for the smoothest experience. Being on Jira allows you to manage your projects effectively and keeps all your assignments organized. Once you've successfully logged into Jira, it's time to go to your specific project. Navigating your way to the right project is crucial because this is where the magic happens. You might have multiple projects listed, so take your time to select the correct one. After entering your project, you'll need to find the task for which you want to log work. Clicking on the specific task will bring up any existing details and options for managing it. Now look towards the top right corner. You'll see an icon represented by 3 dots. This is commonly referred to as the More option or Actions menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various actions you can perform on this task. Among these options, you'll find Log Work. Selecting Log Work will open a window where you have the ability to input crucial details about the work you're logging. In the Log Work window, this is where you'll set the time you've spent on the task. Be honest and accurate when entering this information, as it greatly benefits project management and time tracking. You'll typically enter this in hours and minutes. Additionally, you have the option to set the remaining time to 0 if you've completed the task. Doing this helps to update the task status accurately and inform your team about the progress. Once you've filled in the necessary information, make sure to save your entries. By hitting Save or Submit, your work log is now recorded in Jira for the rest of your team to see. It provides a transparent and detailed account of what has been completed, contributing to better project management overall. And there you have it. Your work is logged and you're good to go. Remember, logging work consistently helps maintain an organized project dashboard and enhances communication among team members. This process ensures everyone is on the same page and aware of progress towards project goals. Thank you for watching and happy project managing.